Welcome. If you're having trouble with Gmail voice messages not working, don't worry. Today we're going to fix that. Just follow these simple steps to get your voice messages up and running again. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen and tap on them to open the menu. Next, tap Settings to access your Gmail settings. From there, go to General Settings. Then, tap on Manage Notifications to adjust how your notifications work. After that, select In-App Notifications. Now tap on Notification Sounds to manage the sound settings for your notifications. You'll see an option for Chat and Spaces. Tap on this to adjust the sound settings specifically for chats and spaces. Next, tap on Sounds to choose your notification tone. Finally, pick a tone from the list and then tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your Gmail voice messages should now be working properly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.